My name is Sven ten Hove. I'm co-owner of CAD/CAM Store, and CAD/CAM Store is the distributor of ENCY in the Netherlands. So the story started in Cyprus at the headquarters of ENCY at the World Conference. We had to make a mascot for ENCY, for EMO over here. And because there are 1.5 million stray cats in Cyprus, more cats than people, we thought, why not make a cat for ENCY? So that's where the idea started for the ENCY mascot. We received the cat model, and of course this couldn't be made in one piece. So we split most of the cat up in pieces. The biggest part is printed by HB3D Actual. It's one of our partners. They are world-leading pioneers in 3D printing with robots. So this made this possible with ENCY. It's not easy to make non-planar toolpaths, but ENCY managed to do this. So we got very beautiful results. And ultimately we wanted to showcase all the operations. So we decided to mill the head in our own facility at CAD/CAM Store. And for the guitar, we contacted one of our customers, Aristides Guitars. They are one of the most innovative hard rock guitar makers in the world. They have very special products inside the guitar. And they do the milling and ascending with a robot and with a 3-axis machine. So the guitar is made by Aristides Guitars. ENCY is very innovative. They go with the time, and it's very, very user-friendly. I think everyone can start ENCY from zero.